It's a way for us to present a new way of education in health sciences.
You have such a wonderful facility here. Small class sizes, which is something you don't get everywhere.
What I've loved about the Pima experience are the people. I mean, the instructors are phenomenal. They really understand their stuff.
This is actually a phenomenal career that they could pursue their entire life.
If you love getting your hands dirty, if you like it, you're gonna love the program.
It's a little versatile, it's a little bit of everything. We've done garden to table, we've done introduction to culinary, we have pastry and bakeries.
Bringing together qualified faculty, instructors who are all working in the field with the latest in technology.
People who teach you who are actually doing it is super helpful because you're not just spitting words from a book at you.
We're using the exact same stuff that we're going to use in the field that we use here at Pima College.
We really are helping create the guardians or the first responders of cybersecurity.
The cyber warfare range is the best place for you to come in and get your hands dirty. It's the best place to come learn how to do things legally and the right way, so you're not caught off guard and you're not having to break any laws doing anything.
We are now getting hands-on experience while in college rather than having to wait until afterwards.
They're passionate. They want to get right in and they want to start working in their field or discipline. So it becomes our goal to connect them to those resources right away that they need in order to be successful.
It's very gratifying to know I've really put everything that I have learned in class to use. Independent films, multimedia art installations. I also have a job here in the video department.
My first thoughts when I walked in here was shock. I was most definitely shocked to see something this massive, dedicated fully to automotive. And with that shock came a lot of pride and joy, because seeing something like this makes you really excited to come here. It makes you really want to come to school every day.
Our link to the high schools and industry, our faculty with our students, and pulling it all together, it's magical. There's really no other way to put it.